Hello, my name is Kientzy. I'm a research analyst with the University of Missouri Extension. The break-even analysis tool is for producers and processors to figure out the optimal pricing and sales targets for wholesale and retail products within their business. This tool is meant for analyzing further processed or packaged goods. It is not ideal for raw produce or animal products. We're going to walk through a scenario today about a business that processes and packages cabbage, called Chuck's Cabbage Cottage. There are currently two products sold, whole cabbage and chopped salad kits. Chuck, the owner, has two problems he wants to solve with the tool. He thinks he is not making money on his salad kits, and he wants to see what adding sauerkraut as a product will do to his profitability. First, we're going to skip ahead to see what the analysis looks like with only two products. As we can see in the meets expectation box, whole cabbage is a profitable product. There is a break-even price of $2.32 while we are charging $3.25, meaning there is almost a $1 profit per cabbage. On the other hand, our chopped salad kits do not meet expectations. Our break-even price is higher than our expected price, meaning that this is not a profitable product for Chuck. Now we'll walk through the tool using the sauerkraut as an example. We'll add the name of the product here, and then we'll move on to put in the sales price. In this case, it's $10 a jar, and the annual units sold, which Chuck expects to be about 2,000. Chuck expects his variable costs for sauerkraut to include cabbage, salt, jars with lids, and labels. Chuck is going to spend about 5 minutes per jar producing this, which comes out to about 0.08 hours. In the unit of measure column, we'll enter the units in which each of the four inputs are measured. In this case, 3 of them will be each: cabbage, jars with lid, and labels, and salt will be by the pound. Chuck pays $3.60 a pound for his salt, $1.25 for each cabbage, $2.15 for each jar with lid, and 15 cents for each label. The input-output column compares the ratio of inputs per unit of output. A ratio greater than 1 means that more than 1 unit of input is going in for each jar produced in this case. A ratio of less than 1 means that less than 1 unit of input is going in to each unit of output. In this scenario, we'll be using 1 tablespoon of salt per jar, or 0.04 pounds. So we have less than a 1-to-1 ratio. Other than that, in this example, each item is a 1-to-1 ratio. So our total variable costs, or the cost can be easily tracked per unit of production, or per jar in this scenario, are $5.09. And since Chuck already has an established business, we're not adding any fixed costs to this scenario. Fixed costs are things like rent or utilities that are not easily tracked per unit of output. So since we got our inputs, our variable inputs included, and we're not adding any additional fixed costs, we'll look at our break-even analysis now that we added sauerkraut. We see that the sauerkraut meets expectations, so it's a profitable product. Our sales price is $10, but our break-even price is only $6.12. Therefore, this is a pretty good product for Chuck's business. When we move up and look at the salad kits, we see that this is now a profitable product, even though we didn't actually change any of the salad input expenses. This is because the adding sauerkraut as a new product spread out the fixed costs more among the additional product, which brought down our fixed cost per unit on the salad kits. So now we only have our break-even price on the salad kits are $6.94 when our expected price is $6.95. So that's not a very large margin, but it is a profitable item for Chuck. Lastly, the sensitivity analysis page shows what a change in price or sales will do to each product. This allows the user to get a more full picture of the risk in his business associated with a change in price or sales. Thank you for listening to my summary of the break-even analysis tool. I hope this could help you and your business. If you have any questions, please reach out to your University of Missouri Extension professional, and they will get you in touch with somebody who can help you with the model. Thank you.